Hello everybody, welcome back to a video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a glitch that I've not seen anyone cover, and well, as I'm recording this I'm offline, like no internet, and yeah, I call it the tower teleportation glitch, and it's a pretty cool glitch. So here you see we don't want to go into multiplayer. We want to go into single player. Then after that we can go on like any map, at least just like somewhere a flat surface. And you see, you need this tower specifically, this one with the ladder and that little watch thingy. I don't know, you see how you can like go forward and go up like that? Yeah, well, you need to add some on the sides too. I like it being this tall, or just like tall, and usually because it kind of feels like it provides more power. So you want to put it to this side here, like one of those, and also one of those. Oh, I messed up a little bit. I gotta restart. And yep, basically gotta do that. And then you see, you already get sent forward a little bit. I'm not sure why this glitch happens though. Just get sent forward a little bit. And yeah, it depends on which direction you are aiming. So for example, yeah, you could, for example, aim there and then boom, it sends you that way. It's not like a jump or anything, and I'm serious. And yeah, so yeah, you just need to add a lot of these. And for your time's sake, I'm gonna speed this up. And now here I just finish up placing a little bit more props, and there we go. So now I've added a lot of props, and now you see it teleports you. The tower teleportation glitch just teleports you. As I said, it literally teleports you. So you just go up here, you go forward, and yeah, you can go over and just teleport. So it's a really cool glitch because you can use it. And wait, I'm gonna test it on the border over there. So now here we are at the border, and we're going to do the just same process. We're going to do the same process as before, and I'm gonna speed this up for your sake because I'm spawning a lot of props. And now I sped that up by about 5 times, just so you know. And now here we have it. You can go there. Not sure. And finally, for the big reveal, let's see. Can you in fact go for the border? And yeah, let's just see. Can you go for the border? No. You get flinged back by the border. So technically, no, you cannot exit the map with this glitch. Or at least a map with just like a regular border. So yeah, that was pretty interesting, guys. Just tower teleportation glitch. It's really cool. Hope it works for you guys. And anyways, bye. Like and subscribe.